at you. This energetic young dude is Odin. He's about 1.5 years old. He's an owner surrender. He's house trained. He doesn't walk too terribly on the leash. When he finds something interesting, he pulls a little bit. But for his age, he's not too bad. He's very handsome. He has a beautiful coat. We don't know too much about him. We don't know if he's how he is with kids. His previous family did not have him around kids. We do know that he is not good with the kitty cats, so no cats for this boy. He's about 1.5 years old. He's people friendly. He does bark a little bit when you first walk up to his kennel, but he's just excited to get out and about on the trail. His family did take him to obedience classes, but he could use a refresher. He does know a few commands. All around, he's a good boy. His name is Odin. He's looking for an active family. He's about 1.5 years old.